Hello everyone. We've just completed a whirlwind of the SIBO Symposium here in Portland, Oregon. I'm with Dr. Alison Siebecker, who's going to join us in Australia for our very first SIBO Summit in Melbourne and in Sydney. And we're really excited to talk to her today to kind of get a feel for what are you going to talk to us about and finally get sort of SIBO on the map in Australia. So thank you so much for taking the time to speaking with me.
I'm so happy to, and we just had a wonderful conference. I'm planning on talking about just a whole overview covering all the main topics of SIBO, including what would you need to look for when you're diagnosing SIBO, like what are going to be the flags that you should think of in your mind when a patient's in front of you to help you notice and think that this could be a SIBO patient, and also what causes it? I've done a lot of research on really what are the underlying physiological causes, functional causes, and then the causes which are risk factors. So I'll go over all of those, all the diseases and circumstances that could bring it about. And then testing. I really like to go over testing well and really how to interpret a breath test and why we should do it and what are some tricky situations we could get ourselves in or out of. And then I'm going to do an overview of treatment protocols, which include, in a general range, antibiotics, herbal antibiotics, elemental diet, and diet. I have some things I've learned, some patterns that really just apply to SIBO. So many of the diets that we all use for SIBO were developed for different conditions, IBS, IBD, celiac, and now I've been practicing long enough with diet, I can give some good tips and patterns that apply really just to SIBO to help you kind of customize diets for your patients.
We look so forward to hosting this event and having you there, and just really appreciate that you can come all the way, make the big long flight, and
I can hardly wait.
It's going to be really wonderful. So thank you so much for your time. To join us for the SIBO Summit in Melbourne on October 8th and in Sydney on October 10th, please visit sibotest.com, and we can't wait to see you there.